Hey y'all, it's Vicki and welcome to another video. So today I thought I would do an unboxing. We're going to unbox the Trendmood box. And of course I've already unboxed it and I've already used a couple of the products. So hopefully you won't hear any noise. I've got the door shut as far as I can shut it, so the cat can get in if he needs to. But I always give this disclaimer. My mom is in the other room. She has the TV on, and I did turn it down, but she might turn it back up because she can't hear very well. Anyway, hopefully it won't disturb you if you have a headset in. Okay, this is the holiday edition, and this one, I don't think I like it as much as I do the first one I received, or I purchased. I did not receive these. This is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money. But this one is still excellent. It's still better than anything out there as far as Ipsy, BoxyCharm, any of those, that I've had. It's still much better than, for the money, because you get all full-size products. Now there is something in here that's damaged. I have not contacted them yet. I don't know if I will. I may just let it slide, but I'll show it to you whenever we get to it. All right, the first thing we have here is this, and I had forgot this was going to be in here, and I almost bought one the other day, and I'm glad now I didn't. But this is the E.L.F. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. I did use it today. You're looking at 10-hour makeup right now. So it has kind of, faded away. I don't think this really made it last any longer. I did not powder today though. So, this is what it is. As far as I'm concerned, I'm not really wearing much makeup at all right now. But this is it feels like silk. As far as ingredients, I'm not sure exactly what's in here. That I need a magnifying glass, but anyway, it's not really silicone based, I don't think, but it does have that slick. It's not sticky. It's not a sticky primer. So it's just kind of something I think that smooths out your skin. There's no scent. So, of course, this is supposed to be, I guess, a dupe for the Tatcha one. I don't know. I don't have the liquid Tatcha, so I couldn't tell you. But anyway, so we'll go on, get into the box. And I'm feeling something in my mouth or something. I don't know. Anyway, the next thing is this 24K Snail Hydrating Serum Mist from Moly. Now, I haven't tried this yet. I am going to try it on my wrist. Sometimes I have trouble with Snail products. I don't know if it's the Snail or if it's something in there with it that just don't mix with me. But I have had dermatitis from it. And I know Snail is supposed to be good for your skin, so maybe it's not the Snail. But I'm going to spray it here on my arm. You can see it's a fine mist. I sprayed it good. So I should know if I'm going to. I don't smell anything. My smeller might not be working tonight, but I think it is. There's no scent. The reason I know it's working is because I smelled my Product Candy perfume a few minutes ago, so I can smell that. Anyway, I'll try this out. I don't know how much this is, but I'm sure this is the full size. I should have looked up prices, but I didn't, but I'll put them down below so you'll know what everything costs. Okay, the next thing we have is this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. It looks like a brown. Trying to see if I can see a color. Verona. I've not had this one before. I do like Ofra's liquid lipsticks. Always shake a liquid lipstick. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it over this pinky, whatever I got on. This does have a coconut smell. I'm smelling coconut, so I'm not really liking it. I mean, I think at one time this might have excited me when I was really a dark brunette, but now I don't know about this color. So I guess we'll see when the video is up. But I'm just have a feeling I'm not feeling this color. But I can probably mix it. So that's probably what I'll do. Okay. So now we have another Ofra one. Another one. And this is Bel Air. I probably should have used this one first. This one doesn't look as brown. No, it's not. I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, I would have liked that one better. That's what it looks like. So let me swatch the other one. Verona. So you can see the difference side by side. And they might be a good mix. So there you go. So you can get a good look. I know this room probably doesn't have the best light. I did buy a small ring light to bring in here, but I still know it's just easier for me to film right here. You know, y'all know if you've been here before, you know why it's easier for me to film in here. All right, we now have the Caliray Big Swell Glassy Lip Plumper. Caliray. I might say Caliray, but it's Caliray. And I've only had the mascara from this brand. So, of course, this brand was started by the Wendy that started Urban Decay years ago. She left and now started another company, as they seem to always do after they've been at one, they decide to go out on their own. The only person I know right now that hasn't started their own is that Jamie Kern from It Cosmetics. But who knows? She may start one. Okay, I'm not smelling anything. And I know I'll regret that because it's already got the color on it. So I'm gonna have to wipe that off. So let me get a wipe here. And wipe it off. And I may wipe my lips off too while I'm at it. Just so you know, the makeup wipes I use when I'm swatching on my arm, I do not clean my face with these. I just use these to wipe my hands and stuff. I have used them to clean the floor when the cat threw up, just so you know. Anyway, this is the Equate Sensitive Skin. And I do like those. I mean, I have used them to wash my face before. But I just want to get this off so it won't get in the formula. So far, there's no tingling. And to me, if I don't get some tingle, I can't see that it plumps my lips. So I'm going to say right now that's a dud as far as plumping. I mean, it's probably fine as a gloss lip topper, but it's not, I don't feel anything plumping. So anyway, I'm going to block myself. All right. Trash. Okay, now we're to the item that was damaged. This is an Ofra Highlighter, and it may be one that I have. No, this is X's and Glows, so it wasn't one I had, but this is what it looks like. Let me get it out of the light so you can see how it's damaged. And I don't think this isn't the last item. I may have said that, but it's not. I don't know how it got damaged. Now, I do know these highlighters are soft, so it probably didn't take much, but I don't know that I really care that it's damaged, so I may or may not say anything. I may just DM her and let her know. I mean, if they want to replace it, that's fine. If they don't, that's fine. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. Okay, the palette that she had in this box is Groundwork Defining Neutrals from Danessa Myricks. The packaging is beautiful. I have to say. Now, just so you know, this is what I'm wearing today. And I don't know how I feel about it. I'm going to go out here and say, without a doubt, I'm glad I never bought this palette for full price. This box was $48 plus shipping, not shipping, plus tax. And I think this palette is like $68, maybe more than that. I am glad I did not pay full price for this palette. Okay, and the reason I'm going to say that is because this palette, it is beautiful. And I can see why anybody would want this palette if they are a makeup artist. But as far as just being a makeup lover, I don't think you need this palette. But that's just my opinion. But that's what it looks like. It's just neutrals. And I really thought that there were going to be some shimmers. But there's not. They're all mattes. And I don't like that. I want at least one shimmer. Now I'm going to show you these. It's like there's one dark and then one just a little bit lighter, maybe. That's the black. I can't tell that much difference in it when you get it on. Let's try this dark brown here. Or no, the dark brown, the black is called tourmaline, and then this brown is bark. So let's try bark. See that? And then we'll try scripted. Now that one feels more creamy than those others I felt this morning. This is sculpted. Now what I used this morning, where's my little, oh, I threw it away, didn't I? Let me get another one. What I used this morning on my eyes was, I used sandstone as the base, which is that lightest color. I'm gonna do it on my hand. Okay. Sandstone. Okay, now it is creamy. Maybe that's why I wasn't getting much pickup this morning. See? I'm such a ditzy. See, that is skin tone, my skin tone. So evidently, the big ones are cream and the little ones are powder. Lord, see, this morning I knew I was not getting any pickup, but it was the brush I was using, and that's why. So let's look at Stone, because that was the one I kept thinking would be a good contour color. So, yeah, oh, I never put it where I should. Let's put it where I should. It's still not really showing up where I think you're going to be able to see it. But there it is. There it is. So let's put it one more place. Yeah, it's not very pigmented. I mean, I could smooth it out to be just like my skin. All right, so let's try. I have to hold it out of the light. What is that one? Desert. Let's try Desert. a little bit darker. It's still not showing up on my hand. Not like it should. See, that's why I'm saying I don't know how I feel about it. All right, let's try Core. Maybe we'll get a better payoff. And maybe I need to watch her video with it. All right, need to go here. Okay, so you can see that. That's a little better. Let's try Harvest. That might be the best one of all that I need to use. There it is. So, do I have a towel? No, I didn't bring one. Okay, let's try this little finger here. And I'm gonna go back into Sculpted again. And let you see what it looks like on my finger. And now I'm going to put it on my hand. All right, that's better. So anyway, there you have it. Like I say, I don't know how I feel about it. I'm glad I never paid full price. And, you know, I'll continue to play with it some. I'll watch some videos because it probably means I need a different brush than what I have. Something along those lines. But like I said, the packaging is beautiful. I love that little marker there. And we'll go from there. But like I say, I'm glad I didn't pay full price. And I'm just not sure how I feel about it. But overall, I have no qualms with this box. As I said, I think that the lipstick, I just need to play with and mix them with others that I got. And, you know, see how they work out. And this, even though I'm not getting any plumping, there's nothing wrong with it. It's a pretty gloss. It's got some shimmer to it, you can see. You can wear that as a highlighter if you wanted to put it up here, I believe. And this, you know, so far, nothing. We'll spray it again. So I think that I'll enjoy this. I doubt there's anything in there that's, you know, it says it's got 24 karat gold and niacinamide. Let's just go ahead and spray it on my face. I'm getting ready to wash my face anyway, so. I do like the way it pumps out. So, my eye's twitching. So I do like that. So I'm not upset at that. I'm definitely will get my use out of this. I did like the way this felt on my skin today. But, you know, I know I'm probably sounding a little disappointed, but I'm really not. All right, she calls me right in the middle, right when I'm getting ready to say, again, I don't know how I feel about this, but who knows? You know me, and first impression, sometimes I don't like things first impression, and then after I use it a few times, I start to love it. You know, there's been several foundations that way, and you know. All right, I'm gonna shut up. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.